Can you see the plugs right here? Yeah. I started YouTube with zero subscribers, zero followers, zero support, and honestly, when I started here, I almost tried to I almost wanted to quit because it was kind of rough, you know. Yeah, and well, if you're trying to start a YouTube channel right now and nobody's watching your video, no one's watching your videos, and nobody seems like engaging in your videos, well, this video is for you, okay? But I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm not rich. I'm just a man who respects money, and I'm not here to sell you a dream. Okay, so I'm just here to show you and tell you exactly what I did, okay, to make YouTube actually paid me. So I just want to tell you the truth about starting a YouTube channel. So I just want to tell you about starting a YouTube channel. Okay, so when you start a YouTube channel, nobody tells you about, how quiet it is, how lonely it is. You know, you post the first video, you try to refresh your page and no views, or maybe 2 views or 3 views, you know, and one of them, maybe it can even be you. I even watch your video and it feels like you're talking to yourself, and this kind of messes with your head because you'll be looking at yourself like nobody's there. But one thing about that time you should understand is that that's the time we should upload more videos, grind more harder, put in more work, because that's what they call YouTube jail. So you shouldn't let that get to you. So you should always try to be consistent and post all the time. Okay, so don't let that thing mess with your head. And the mistakes that people in the beginning make is that they think it's about just posting a video, good video, but you just have to be posting consistently and all the time. And one mistake that I made in the beginning, so there's some mistakes that I made in the beginning, is that I thought like if I make a good video, right, automatically that video is supposed to have like so many views, right? That's what I think in my head. But it's not about posting good videos, right? It's about posting clear videos. You know, at that time I wasn't clear who my content was for. I wasn't clear what the problem I was solving. You know, I was just posting those videos, you know, hoping for the best. That wasn't it. What I'm learning now is this: that YouTube doesn't reward motivation. Okay, like ginger grind, do everything. YouTube doesn't reward motivation. YouTube reward consistency, clarity, and patience. You guys stay very, very patient about. You have to be very, very patient about YouTube, because if you're not patient, no way. Do you understand my point? So, one thing about posting about YouTube is that you don't have to even be perfect, bro. If you see the YouTube, if you see the videos that I do, I'm not even a good editor. I just do videos, like just be creative and be creative about it in my head. I just edit videos and post on YouTube. The only thing is that I didn't just stop posting. I'm consistent about it. I keep on posting and I continue to post. Okay, I just don't stop posting, because it's when you stop, that's when you give up. You just have to continue posting no matter what it is. So and it's consistency. You know, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to showing up, improving every little time. You know, edit. Okay, what did I mess up here? What did I do? You know, you keep on improving. If you like this content, because this content is about no faking, exactly what I did, exactly the real pace is what I'm giving. You know, 100. So I'm not, like I told you guys, I'm not a guru. I'm just the guy that goes straight to the head in what he does. You know, financially, just go straight to the point. So I'm not all this guru that's going to tell you, okay, buy this, do that, that. No, I'm just a person. I'm just a guy that, you know, that enjoys working and, you know, getting the job done. So if you're watching with 0 subscribers, you shouldn't feel bad. Okay, everyone you admire on YouTube started exactly the same way you're thinking about right now. So the only difference is that they didn't quit. You know, they just kept on going and pushing and pushing and keep on going. Okay, so they did not quit. They keep uploading and uploading. So the more you upload, the more you have subscribers. The more you upload, the more your chances of having more subscribers, and the more your chances of improving and getting the channel better.